Hello everyone. So next thing is all about NumPy copy and view. And here is the difference between copy and new. So first of all, the copy is a new array and the view is just a view of the original array. Okay, that is the first point actually. The main point is over here. This is all about copy and this is all about view. First point is the copy owns the data, that is the one thing, and any changes to the copy will not affect your original array. Okay, and any changes made to your original array will not affect to copy. Okay, first we will check that part. Suppose we have a equal to np.array and we have 1 2 3 4 5, and copy of this a we have stored in x. Okay, now we are changing, like a of 0 equal to what? 42. So obviously it will reflect only in the a array, not in x. If you want, we can check the output also. Print a and print x. Control s. See, reflected in array a, not in x. And suppose instead of a of 0, if I write x of 0, okay, that means it will reflect in array x, not in array a. F5. See, our first answer is as it is 1 2 3 4 5, which is a, and 42, that is the x array, and it is reflected in x. So that is all about copy. Okay, and next thing is, what is the meaning of view? The view does not owns the data. Okay, that means any changes, okay, you do with the view, it will affect your original array. That is the first point. And any changes to your original array will also affect your view. So here is a simple example. Instead of copy, you have to write view. That is only the change. So what we are doing is, in x, index number 0, it is 42. So this will reflect in array A also because of the view. So control S, F5. See, both the places. And same way, suppose if I write a of 0 equal to 42, so it will also reflect in x. So control S, F5. See, this is a and this one is what? X. So this is the key difference between copy and view of NumPy. Copy your original thing as it is, it will not reflect, but in view, wherever you are changing in original as well as your view, it will affect. Okay, thank you everyone.